going to be using teckwrapcraft sublimation transfer paper, and these sublimation transfer paper can be used on white color polyester fabric. You can use it also on coated mugs, plate, caps, puzzles, mouse pads, you name it. But today we are going to be making a puzzle with the sublimation transfer paper from teckwrapcraft. You can find these sublimation transfer paper on their website, which is teckwrapcraft.com. You can find it there, and you can also find blanks such as cups. You can find you can find puzzles. The one that I'm going to be using today, I bought it, I think it was on Amazon, but you can find those blanks also on their website. Let's do this. I have my template already on Illustrator, and I am going to print the picture. Remember, it's very important, very muy importante, very important that you select downright option. That way you will be able to read. If you write something on the design, you will be able to read it, or the person that you give it, it's going to be able to read it. So let's send this to the printer. I am going to be using my Epson Eco Tank, and let's print it. Remember, as I have mentioned before, the pictures come out a little bit fainted, but once you apply heat on that image, those colors are going to become more vibrant, as you can see in the picture above. Now I am going to cut the excess of the picture, and I am going to follow through the guides I have on my template. And once I finish cutting out all the excess of the paper, I am going to place the image on the puzzle. This is the placing. I am going to use that little piece of painter's tape just to make sure that picture won't move. Seconds, 350, that works for me, and this is the end result of the puzzle. You can put this in a small box or in a bag, or you can frame it for your mother or for your grandma, and I think it will make a nice Mother's Day gift. So this is it. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please remember to give us a thumbs up. If you have any question, feel free to ask it on the comments below. Remember to subscribe to our channel and save this video for future references. I hope you have a great day. This was Arlene.